All right, everyone. So I am now downloading some firmware, software updates to my SCT tuning device. I am going to now tune my car to the specifications that it's set upon with all the equipment that I've added to the car. And so as you can see, it is downloading various software programs. There's 202 of them that it's updating itself with. It's on number 25, so it's going to continue working here for a few more minutes as it's getting itself ready. But we'll send this in to SCCA, where they'll come back and send me a specific tune for my vehicle setup. As you remember, I installed a cold air intake box, new headers into the car with Flowmaster catalytic converters and a Borla Atak exhaust. Alright, so now I'm going to try and pull the basic vehicle information down and get that from the device. Alright, turn the key on the position. Okay. Alright, everyone, so we're now going to program the car with a custom tune that we've had done. Sent this specifications of my engine and setup over to SCCA, who has created a custom tune for me and emailed it back to me, and we're going to upload that now to the vehicle. So here we go. So we're now going to upload the custom tune, and we're going to select. So I've got two options now. I got a preloaded tune, and then I have this custom tune. So we're going to select the custom one, and it's going to take some time, and then I get the chance to change some of the values here. So let's see here. Let's change the axle. Okay, it's 373. Okay. Tire revolutions, we'll just back out of that. Speed limit off. Rev limit 7,000. We'll leave that as is. And we'll accept the rest. We'll say approve. And we're going to change the fuel to from E85 back over to 93 octane. And doing some research on E85, it's not always E85 at the gas pumps because of the inability sometimes for E85 to, I think it's a spark issue, and in cold weather, and so the gas stations know that, and because of that, it's not always a full E85. Plus, you need to change out, the way the fuel going into the car, and some of those pieces of equipment going into the car, because it's E85 versus 93 octane, to get the full effects of E85. So I'm just going back out of E85 and just go with 93 octane or straight racing gas whenever it's available. So as you can see, the car is still working. The tuner is still doing its thing. I can't wait to hear this car when it finally starts up with this new tune. Well, I think I'm just going to hang this up right here, so I don't have to hold it. Alright, so now the upload has occurred. We're now waiting for the next step. The car is constantly turning itself on and off automatically. Oh, download's complete. Tune has been programmed successfully. Turn the key off. The key is turned off. And we are done. Okay. So, let's see here. Let's do this from inside the car. I want you guys to hear what I hear. Alright? So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Unplug it from the OBD2 connection. Set it down. And let's plug back in my other monitor thing here. And hold on. And let's close the door. All right. Let's start it.